Hey boos, y'all already know I'm back with another tutorial for y'all. Sorry about my voice ahead of time, y'all. I'm coming down with a cold. So make sure y'all keep me in y'all prayers. I haven't been feeling good for the last 2 days, and now I'm just completely stopped up. But enough about me. I hope you guys are doing well. If you have any questions, make sure you put them in the comments. If you're in my Canva resale class, make sure y'all put them in the chat. Y'all know I'll help y'all with y'all answers as fast as possible. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get straight into the video. So today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to make a thank you card on Canva. It's going to be a simple thank you card. This is the card that we're going to be making. Everybody like these style cards that I do. You can print them. You can get them at Staples. You can print them or let Canva print them and send them to your home. Whatever you like to do or whatever your customers want you to do is what you can do. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into it. So first thing first is I do have this Canva, and it is 10 inches by 6.5 inches. So once you get that, I'm going to go ahead and open up another page here. So we have a blank one. And then what I'm going to do first is hit the plus sign, and I want to choose one of my backgrounds. Y'all know I got a folder for digital papers, so I got so many different papers inside of here, but we're going to go ahead and just choose one. If you haven't seen my video on how to create folders inside of Canva, please make sure y'all watch that video. It's super, super helpful, so that way you're not having everything all mixed up into just your uploads folder. You want to make sure that you stay organized. Being organized is just key when you want to, keep constantly designing and keep making different things. So just make sure you create folders for each thing that you use. Like for this one, I have my one for models. And then I also have one for digital papers and also my clip art as well. So I like to keep all that stuff separate. So I'm going to go ahead and choose a background. And I think I'm going to go ahead and go with this background. As you can see, we did not use this background on this one, but this is what you call just getting creative, coming out of your element and just deciding on what you want to do. So once I choose my background that I want to use, I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus sign again, but this time I want to go up under elements, and I'm just going to choose a square, and we're going to go ahead and create this square right in the middle here to our liking. Just make sure you take your time, try to get it as perfect as possible. Change the colors on it if you want to. I think I'm going to go ahead and use black. And then, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to hit the plus sign again. This time I'm going to go to text. And I'm going to go ahead and put thank. Let me see. We use Hey Boss Babe. So we'll do Hey Boss Babe again. So I'll do Hey Boss Babe. And then I'm going to go ahead and change the font on this to my Buffalo font. I'm going to size it up to how big I want it to be. And then I'm also going to hit the plus sign again. And then this time I'm going to go up under elements. And I'm going to try to find frames. So I do want letter frames. So let me find the letters here. And then we're going to go ahead and get thank you. So I'm going to sit this here. And now I need an H. And I'm going to sit that here. And then actually I'm going to size these down just a little bit before I group them together. Now I need an A. And I also need an N. Let's scoot these over a little bit just so that way I can see everything. And we will size all this stuff down, y'all, so don't worry about it. We just want to make sure we get them and order now, so that way we have a little bit of room to work with here. All right, and then I'm going to get the K. I'm going to size this down. And then I'm going to line these up to how I want them to be. It can get tricky sometimes doing this part, but just make sure you take your time. It's no rush, right? So now what I'm going to do is, and y'all already know I am working off of my phone. If this your first time watching my videos, I do most of my work is done on my phone. A lot of people don't think that you can do a lot of stuff on your phone, but I'm so used to using my phone, and I do have a iPhone 11 Plus, so I'm just used to using my phone. But I also do use my laptop as well. So like, for instance, I do have my laptop sitting right here, but instead of using my laptop, I'm using my phone. So it just depends on what you're comfortable with. Just make sure you take your time, especially with this part. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the T, and then I'm going to hit the three dots, and I'm going to hit select multiple, and I'm going to select all of these, and I'm going to group them together. And then once I have them grouped together, I'll go ahead and move this to the middle to see how I want it. And let's see, I think I need an S too. I forgot the S, so we're going to go ahead and add the S here. And then I'll just group this one with the other ones as well. And so once I have them all grouped together, I'm going to go ahead and size it down, put it in the middle to the best of my ability. And then what else we have for your purchase? So I'm going to duplicate this, because you always want to use your duplicate feature to make it quick and easy if you're wanting to kind of get through your designs. So I just duplicated that, and I'm just going to go ahead and put for your purchase, right? And so I'm going to size this down so we can see it here. I'm going to size this up a little bit, put this up, size it down. So you just want to kind of play around with it. Once you get everything on there that you want, you just want to play around with it. Kind of make sure that it's as centered as possible. And as you can see, these lines, that red line does come up. It's just a guider to let you know that you do have it centered. So once I have that, I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus sign again. And I'm going to add what I had for my background, but this time I'm going to add this image inside of my letters. So I'll put it here, and then I'll add it again, put it there, add it again, put it here, and we're going to do this for all of them. And that is it, child. Like, this is so easy and simple. You can add more stuff to this if you want to. So this was the first one that I made. This is actually on my Etsy shop. A lot of people love these thank you cards. They like it to just be simple, something that they can just kind of throw inside of their products and just, send it off to their customers. So I really enjoy making these. They are so quick and easy. Charge as much as you want to charge, whatever your pricing is. Make sure you decide on that, and don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. I always want to let y'all know that, because we do work hard when it comes to this stuff. So make sure you're getting your money's worth. So I think I'm going to size this up a little bit more. So you see, I'm just kind of playing around with it still, because I'm not too happy with where everything is at right now. So I just want to line it up to where I want it to be. And I do like that. So we'll keep it this way. And so that's it, y'all. This is how you make a simple, basic thank you card, but cute. And y'all already know I'm gonna be coming with another video. It's gonna be more in depth on how to do a more in depth, more upscale thank you card. So I will be doing videos on that for y'all. But this is the end of this video, this tutorial. If you had any questions about how to make a simple thank you card like this, just make sure you put them in the comments below. And again, if you're in my Canva resale class, just make sure you ask me in the chat, and y'all already know I'll be helping y'all, and I'll also be sending y'all copies of these cards that we just created today. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for listening to me. My voice is a mess right now, but I do plan on getting better. I am drinking a lot of tea and staying on top of myself. So again, just make sure y'all keep me in y'all prayers, and I do hope that I feel better soon. But y'all already know, regardless, I'm going to keep pumping out these videos for y'all. And I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next tutorial. Bye.